You're struggling with making your debt payments and decide that filing bankruptcy or a consumer proposal is your best option to eliminate your debt. So the question is, can you stop paying your creditors before you file? Well, the answer largely depends on the type of debt you have and when you might file. Hi, I'm Maureen Parent, a licensed insolvency trustee with Michalos and Associates. A lot of my clients tend to struggle at the end of the month with running out of money because of large debt payments. Filing a bankruptcy or a consumer proposal eliminates their large debt payments, but what about the period right before filing? As a rule, you can stop paying creditors who are included in your bankruptcy or proposal shortly before filing. Technically, the types of creditors who are safe for you to stop paying are your unsecured creditors. So yes, you can stop making the minimum payments on your credit cards and stop a repayment on your payday loan. You do want to ensure you also stop using your credit cards or incurring more debts. If you're filing an insolvency on student loans or tax debts to CRA, you can stop those payments as well. What you can't stop is payments on your secured debts and debts that will remain after you file. For example, if you have a car with a bank loan or lease, you can keep the car, but you must keep making those payments before and after you file. Some other debts that are not included in a bankruptcy or proposal would be alimony, child support, and court fines. You must keep making these payments. Ask your trustee about utilities you plan on keeping. Sometimes it's best to keep paying to avoid having these shut off, but if you are canceling, it may be okay to stop payment. A word of warning, you can't stop paying months in advance. This will likely result in your creditors seeking legal options like a wage garnishment to collect. If you're considering filing insolvency, talk with your trustee about which debts you can stop payments on before filing and which you should maintain. For more information, come visit us at hoys.com.